having a snooze in the crown of this fern. Now it's on the move. The sounds that you can hear are the people at the restaurant. They're talking, and also you can hear their cutlery clanging. The python was someone's pet, but they weren't able to keep looking after it, so they surrendered it, and now it's living at Link Haven. It's big, isn't it? Looks like these people have discovered it. That's a bit too close for me. Now this little bird has seen it too. Remember to subscribe, and if you liked this video, give it the thumbs up.